Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to dive into the tiny world of the smallest frog on Earth. You won't believe your eyes when you see just how minuscule these little hoppers can be. Picture this, a frog so small it could comfortably sit on your fingernail with room to spare. That's right, we're talking about frogs that make ants look like giants. These miniature marvels of nature are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Now, let's talk size. The smallest known frog species, Paedophryne, amauensis, measures in at a mind-boggling average length of just 7.7 millimeters. That's smaller than a dime. To put it in perspective, you could line up about 10 of these tiny frogs across a single US quarter, but size isn't the only fascinating feature of these pocket-sized amphibians. Despite their diminutive stature, they're fully formed frogs with all the necessary organs and systems to survive in their rainforest homes. It's like nature decided to play a game of how small can we go, and absolutely nailed it. These microfrogs have some pretty nifty adaptations to cope with their size. Their tiny lungs are supplemented by the ability to breathe through their skin, allowing them to maximize oxygen intake. Their metabolism is incredibly fast, which means they need to eat frequently to keep their energy levels up. Speaking of eating, you might wonder what a frog this small could possibly prey on. Well, they're not picky eaters. Their diet consists mainly of mites and other minuscule insects that most larger animals wouldn't even notice. It's a whole ecosystem operating on a scale that's almost invisible to the human eye. Now, you might be thinking, how do they reproduce if they're so small? Good question. These frogs have evolved to skip the tadpole stage entirely. The females lay just a few eggs, which hatch into fully formed, albeit incredibly tiny froglets. Talk about efficient. The discovery of these ultra-small frogs has opened up new avenues of research in biology and evolution. Scientists are fascinated by how these creatures manage to function at such a small scale, and what this might tell us about the limits of animal size. So, next time you're out in nature, remember that there's a whole world of tiny wonders beneath your feet. You might not see them, but these miniature frogs are out there, hopping around and living life to the fullest, all at a scale that's almost beyond belief. From the rainforests of Papua New Guinea to the labs of curious scientists, these tiny frogs are making a big impact on our understanding of the natural world. They're proof that sometimes the most amazing things come in the smallest packages.